Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Elevate Styles. I am Treasure, and of course I am back with the 1 2 1 1 2 3, giving you your wig needs. But today I am going to review from Sister Wig, which is known as Zury, and this is going to be their headband wig. It's the throw on and go headband. It does have the velvet non-slip band on it instead of like normally like the cool fit band. This one has a velvet band. It does have the Velcro secure straps in the back, so you should be fine. I'm going to be doing this one in the ULA in the color of 1B. And on the back, as you see, you can just put headbands over top of it however you want. It shows you how to put it on here, and yeah, you'll be good to go. This one is a antibacterial cap, so this is a more of a yucky look, but it's super 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 soft. I wasn't expecting to put my fingers through it and it feel like this. So here is the band on it, big velvet band. Here's the construction inside. It have really long tuck combs in the front, and it has a longer one in the back. It does not have any adjustable straps on it because like the headband itself is gonna secure that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tuck combs in, so I would stick them right underneath of my cap, tight behind my ears. The Velcro strap is on. Now I always pull the headband all the way down just so I can fold it up. That way I know that my cap is covered up. Oh, but this looks so cute. It's so natural. And then it just looks like I just washed and blow dried my hair. You can see the length on it. I'm 5'1", so the hair is coming like almost to where my hip is. This is so cute and nice and soft. And then again, like I'm one of the ones, like let's just say I do want, this is halfway. Like I was doing a ponytail, half up, half down. And because of the heat, all of my headband wigs, oh I own a lot of them, all of my headband wigs are in a ponytail. Look how cute this is. Look, I'm just giving you some styles like how I be doing mine if I wanted to do a bun. Let's say I want to do a bun. I don't know if it's going to stay, but I have a bun. And of course, down. Ooh. So I'm going to go ahead and put the link down below so you can start to enjoy your headband wig. Yes, this is the one. I love it a lot. Until next time, I am Treasure. And I'm going to see you on the next video with my next hairdo. Bye.